So, a couple of days ago, I got this really bad migraine to the point where I couldn't move my head. It was like I had cancer. That's how bad my head hurt. And I know how bad it is when people have brain cancer anyway. So, after that day when I got a really bad migraine, I started waking up dizzy to the point where my eyes were blurry. And today, I woke up dizzy to the point where my eyes were blurry and then kept falling back asleep. Now I have a really bad headache, and at this point I don't know what to do, but I just made this video to see how many people get migraines on and off every single day to the point where they actually get sick to where they can't move their head, they can't walk without crawling. So let me know. Bye.